Here is Literal Equations worksheet number 2. I'm going to do part of the worksheet with you. Number 1, regular equations. We're going to be solving for x. So what we want to do first is get rid of the 43. And 43 and 11 are like terms, so I'm going to write it right underneath the 11. And I get negative 2x is equal to negative 32. And again, you can draw your line through the equal sign so you know what side is what. Then I need to get rid of my negative 2. They're connected by multiplying, so I'm going to divide. And I'm left with x is equal to 16. Please pause the video and try part B on your own. Number 2, we need to solve for x. So I notice that these two terms are like terms, so I'm going to combine them. I'm going to write the 4x out front, and 23 minus 34 is a negative 11. So I'm going to write it as minus 11. And we have a negative 11 on the other side. And again, our line through the equal sign. And now it's a two-step equation. I'm going to add 11, get our numbers together, and I'm left with 4x on the left, and negative 11 and 11 make 0, so I'm going to write the number 0 down. And then my last step, I need to get rid of the multiplication, so I'm going to divide by 4, and 0 divided by any number is 0. So please make sure you're showing your work on part A, and then going and finishing part B on your own. Please try part B on your own, pause the video. Number 3, I see parentheses, so you got it. We got to do our rainbows. 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times negative 7 is a negative 21. And again, where's my equal sign? So I'm going to add 21. 6 and 21 are both constants, so I'm going to write them underneath each other. I'm left with a 6x equals 27. Last step, divide by 6. And 27 divided by 6 does not reduce, or excuse me, it does reduce. So both are divisible by 3. So I could put it on my calculator and try to reduce it. If you're using a graphing calculator, you hit math, enter, enter. Otherwise, if you do it by hand, 27 divided by 3 is 7. 6 divided by 3 is 2. You have to make sure you reduce your fraction. Please pause the video and try part B. The next set of directions say formulas can be manipulated through the process of solving literal equations. Solve for h. So this is the formula for the area of a parallelogram, and I want to get h by itself. So b and h are connected by multiplying, so I'm going to divide by b. So dividing by b is going to cancel it, so I get h. And then on the other side, I have area divided by the length of a base. And then I always like to write it with my h first. So h is equal to the area divided by b. And this would be my final answer. Turn the worksheet over. This side of the worksheet follows what we do. I want to go through number 5 with you because of that fraction. We have to get b by itself. This is the formula for the area of a triangle. So I need to get rid of the half, and I need to get rid of the h. So let's get rid of our number first. We could divide by a half, but that's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I like to do that instead. Double. Double. So then I get 2a, and half of 2 is 1, so that makes this half disappear, equals bh. If I finish solving that problem, I'm trying to get rid of my h, so I'm going to divide. So I'm left with b equals 2a over h. And again, I like to write it with what we're solving for in front. If I did not multiply right away, which I saw a lot of you do on your quiz, I can divide by a half, but One of our rules in math is you can't have a fraction in the denominator. So right away then I should rewrite this as 2a equals bh. So if you have a fraction, it can never be in the denominator. If it is, it's not simplified. So why don't you finish the rest of this worksheet? Please hand it in when you are done. Thanks for listening.